Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Queen V and I'm now in my 50s and I normally share videos about beauty, fitness, practical tips, and also bag reviews. So if you love bags like me, so maybe you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my unboxing of one of the bags I recently bought from Gucci. So as you can see, I bought two bags recently. I bought this last month and this one just this month. Apparently, I'm so busy, that's why I am unable to unbox this. But today, I'm going to unbox only this one, okay? This is the Gucci Blondie Bag, which was just released in 2022. So this is an entirely new bag of Gucci. So let's do the unboxing. But before that, let me share with you the day I bought this bag. Welcome to Gucci. This is one of the stores I like to visit when I am here at the Shangri-La Mall. This is my third visit visiting this bag because I am really thinking so hard if I will buy this or not because it is very expensive. And these are the other bags that they have. They're all actually nice. So look at those. And finally, this is me na nabudol ng Gucci. So let's now do the unboxing. So this is the bag. Gucci has changed their packaging to green. It used to be color beige or off-white. So now the paper bag, the box, and even the ribbon are all in green color. And that is my receipt. I love this bag the first time I saw it, but since it's expensive, I am assessing myself if I really like it. That's why every time I go to the Shangri-La Mall, I am visiting this bag. I believe many of you can relate. So finally, I bought this bag on my third visit because the sales lady told me that this is the last model that they have for this size. So this bag comes in a dust bag made of parang katsa. This is the Gucci Blondie bag in medium size and brown color. Comes with magnetic closure and with round interlocking G logo. Now let's check what inside. So it comes with two shoulder straps. One is made of leather. This one, the one I am showing to you, the length of that shoulder strap is 22 inches. It's quite hard to attach it because the leather is really new. Okay, so that's the first shoulder strap. The second strap is the red and green shoulder strap, which is the trademark of Gucci. You will attach those here. Now let's look what you can put inside. So it has two compartments. That is the main compartment, which is spacious, and that is the second compartment. There's also a small compartment with zipper, so where you can put your keys, card, there. Okay. So you can really smell the leather. Smells good. It's real leather. And now let us attach the leather shoulder strap in my bag. So this is how you attach it. And while doing that, let me share with you what I like about this bag. I like it because I find it simple, versatile, and classy. And I like the way it is structured. It's semi-structured bag. You can wear it with jeans like the one I'm wearing or with trousers or even when you're wearing rubber shoes, flats or heels. It will make you look great and maporma. By the way, the weight of this bag is 1.18 kilograms. Not heavy considering its size. This is made in Italy and its hardware are all gold toned and lining is made of cotton linen. Blondie bag comes in different variations. Some are made of suede, canvas, and leather, and they come in various colors as well and sizes. But buying the medium size is, I believe, more practical than the small one. This is how you can wear this bag. You can wear this as a crossbody bag or as a shoulder bag. But the length is too long for me, so I need to go to Mr. Quickie to request for additional 4 holes. So just go to Mr. Quickie, they can do that. This is the second strap. This is made of canvas and the length is 20.5 inches with gold toned hardware. Okay, that is very easy to attach. And I like it because this is adjustable. No need for me to go to Mr. Quickie to have it fixed. You can wear this when you are dressed very casually or just go to the mall or even just wearing rubber shoes. This is perfect. And now let's see what are the things you can put inside given its size. This is my wallet. It's quite bulky, so let me put it inside. My coin purse. My pouch where I put my charger, my lotion, my extra face mask, and earphones. So let me put it here. Let's see if it fits. Though it says in the catalog that we shouldn't be really put so many things inside to retain its size or to take care the size of this bag. It's nice. If you have ribbons from the designer things that you bought, don't throw it away, especially if it's cute. Let's make use of it, like using it when you do your ponytail, like what I am doing here, to make you look cute and stylish. Or you can even use it as a headband. So that's my tip for you, my fashionista tip. Okay, so that's my unboxing for today. I just hope that you enjoy watching this video, especially if you are a bag lover. So please watch for my next unboxing of the bag I just recently bought. It's a different type of bag. It's also a new release of Gucci. So thank you for watching. Till again, this is Queen V saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!